Today, with the globalization of trade and commerce, the industries are working in a highly competitive environment. These erratic power cuts result into disturbed cash flows and working capital problems. Industrial and commercial sectors in the state have faced tremendous stress on account of perennial power cuts. Recognizing the importance of electricity, the industry believes that it is necessary that there shall be need for a stable long-term investment climate for the electric power industry to deliver this. The industry and trade is particularly concerned about supply of quality power. Power supply has been quite erratic for the industry last year, with manufacturers faced with power holidays. To maintain a stable and secure supply of electricity and to make significant emission reductions in power sector, it's imperative that all energy supply options to be kept available. To ensure that the growing demand for electricity is met in a secure manner, the electric power industry need to make major investment in generation, transmission, distribution over the next few decades. Today's seminar will mainly focus in three areas. First thing is to understand the power sector being a very complex sector, and all of us good time to understand the power sector. To have quality power 24 hours into 7 days for all stakeholders, and especially starting from the February 2011 onwards, and open house discussion on generation, transmission and distribution. There are 5 challenges in power sector. First is a loss and theft. Second is a fuel like coal and other things. Third is the environmental challenges. Fourth is the land acquisition. Fifth is lack of research. So recently we have there was a news article on reactive power cost. We'll also like you to throw some light on the reactive power cost. And also our earnest request is there that the stakeholders must be taken into confidence before any policies are being formed. Today's seminar will deliberate and the outcome with a roadmap and recommendation for the consideration of authorities of state and center. FEPSI, in close cooperation with the state government, industry representative, AP Transco, AP Genco, AP ERC, DISCOM and other stakeholders would like to achieve this goal. The seminar attempts to bring together collective knowledge for deliberation that can deliver definite direction to enable sustainable mobility. Furthermore, its encouragement for all the participation from members and across the spectrum of the power sector to deliberate and suggest a roadmap for uninterrupted quality power supply. The seminar will deliberate on subjects bringing the attention of government officials, including policy makers and advisors to the government, having an association with the power industry, officials, representatives and departments of energy. We are sure the delegates and the companies would benefit from the seminar by gaining a greater understanding of the types of power problems and other areas and affect the companies, which will affect the company's productivity and the solutions to these power problems in an easy way. Now may I request our chairman of the committee, Mr. Anil Reddy, to address. Thank you very much.